Hello, body fangs, and welcome to the bush. Guys, is it just me or is it getting bloody cold now? Okay, you're getting frostbite on funny places. As jy wil gaan piepie, dan gryp jy dan so niks. Me, on the other hand, I've grown myself an inverted comma. Die ding lyk soos 'n button mushroom. But that's not the worst. Have you ever walked inside a shopping center there and all of a sudden you see a klein rooikop laaitie met sproete over there with a groen snot crawling out of his nose, he's stuck on his top lip and he goes... Karen, okay, I want to shoot chunkies. Parents, do something. Shove something up his nostril over there or just put duct tape around it. And there's people driving up there from a coast there to come up to the north. And then all of a sudden they drive through Van Riemen's Pass. Guys, no one's baking cookies over there. That's not meal, flour. Okay, that's snew. Snow. No, snow. Yeah, you're not in the movie Frozen. Do you want to build a snowman? Do you want to build a snowman? Jy gaan vries. Okay, jy gaan wintersvingers kry, winter slurpie. And things. Yeah, people stay warm. Okay, don't take chances over there. Die sneeu sal hiertoe kom, wherever you is. Okay, don't go and look for it. Jy gaan vassit soos 'n chappie in 'n rooikop laaitjie se hare. Yeah, stay warm. Okay, thanks.